Number 1, portion number 2. State the name of the organ that coordinates the control of the body temperature. We have put over here the organ which regulates the body temperature. There are some keep in mind. Brain is correct option. Brain controls and coordinates the body temperature. There is an organ of the brain, part of the brain, which is said to be the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus, which controls the body temperature up to the normal range. The core temperature is 37 Celsius and 98.6 Fahrenheit, right? Because of the regulation of the body temperature, it is said to be the thermostat of the body. So you have put over there the brain or hypothalamus. Both are the right options, right? Because there is only a single mark is given. Okay. Moving to the figure. Figure 1.1 shows the diagram. Let me mark. Figure 1.1 shows a diagram of a section through the human skin, right? And you have to focus on the diagram and whole diagram, because we have to complete this diagram by labeling first. So this is epidermal layer, right? Epidermal layer. Epidermal, it is having the dead tissues which regulate the body temperature, as well as it provides the protection, right, against injury and whatever. It's a barrier as well. And this portion is dermis. Dermis, it is having the living tissues, and this one is the hypodermis. Hypodermis, right? Hypodermis always having the fatty tissues, which is said to be the adipose tissues. Now, moving to the question, what is mentioned in this question? Okay. State the names of the structures A, B, and C. Okay. Have a look at the picture diagram. A, it's a receptors, and B, it's a sweat gland, and C, it's a fatty tissues, which are said to be the adipose, right? So first we have to label over here and then continue the answer. Okay, let me write the appropriate answer regarding the marking scheme and examiner report. So there is thermoreceptors, because they regulate the temperature. Receptors, you have put over here just only receptor, so it is also correct option, receptors, right? And B, it is sweat gland. Sweat gland, it regulates the temperature as well by perspiring the water and salt, excess water and salt, excess salt, and there's also minute quantity of the urea as well as. Okay, C option, it's fatty tissues, fatty or adipose, because these tissues insulate the living organisms to produce the temperature when there is a uh, hibernation and whatever. So in the hibernation condition, the cold-blooded living organisms has to release the enough heat in order to sustain their life. So they are fatty tissues or adipose tissues. Fatty tissues or cells are adipose tissues, right?